fourth and final quarter. Laban ng JRU kontra Mapua Cardinals. Lamang dito ang Mapua 56 kontra Mapu JRU Heavy Bombers. Partner, natawagan ng traveling, kaya naman ang bola babalik sa panik ng JRU. Yes partner, may nag-tweet sa atin. Bakit daw battle for third ang nangyayari sa ating ball game na ito?
Well, para sa umaantabi natin, sa atin ngayon lamang, battle for third place po ito dahil three-way tie tayo for third place at 12-6. Ang JRU, ang Mapua at ang Arellano. Ang JRU ay medyo siling naniig doon. Nagkaroon kasi tayo ng goal differential system. Kinompute natin yung scores nila, points for and points against. And JRU ang nag-rank ng number 3. So, ang Mapua at ang Arellano ay nagsabak para sa 4th spot. So, ngayon kailangan natin i-settle kung sino yung magna-number 3 at magna-number 4 coming into the final 4 race natin.
Man with a high basketball IQ at napakaganda pa ng boses. My partner for today, Mix Bustos. Our director, Direk Raul de Ocampo, of course, na kinukuna ng magagandang ngiti inside the MOA Arena at naghahatid sa inyo ng magandang aksyon. ABS-CBN Sports and Action, of course. Mga kapamilya watching around the world. Ito nga yung mga supporters, of course,
ni Coach Verhel
Meneses.
Dahil kung napansin niyo po, naka-purple itong supporters ni Coach Verhel. Yun po ang kanyang favorite color. Ito nga si Aerial Voyager.
56 all. 6 deadlock na, partner, sa ating ball game na ito. Fourth and final quarter, mga kapamilya. On the floor para sa panig ng Mapua Cardinals, nandiyan si Menina, CJ Easy, Aguirre, Nimes, and Olwell Oraime. Para naman sa panig ng JRU Heavy Bombers. In the meantime, ito si Menina. Nakakatatlong dikit na tres na yan na nagmumula sa labas, partner. 13 points sa ating ball game na ito.
Ito ang umiinit talaga si Shane Menina. 13 points, 5 out of 8 from the field. And then the spark plug para kay Coach Atoy Go, the X-Factor for the Cardinals.
8 points na, partner. Itong si Grospe, tahimik na 8 points. Kagaya ni Tej Chidoro na nakaka-10 puntos lang, no? Samantala, ang mainit dito ay the story of the game for the Mapua Cardinals ay si CJ Easy.
Yes, CJ Easy, 20 points out of 15. Highest scorer para sa game na ito. And a good look there by Josan Nimes. Nakita niya si Justin Serrano down low. And that is the presence of a Josan Nimes. He can score, he can create, he can pass for his teammates. Itong si Josan Nimes.
Not really scoring much sa ating ball game, pero yung presence and his vision inside the game, kitang-kita mo, nahandun yung kanyang mga veteran moves no, partner?
Yes, and Olwell Oraime also with 18 rebounds already. As CJ Isit, napakainit, 22 points already para kay CJ.
And of course, credit that pass to Josan Nimes na nakita niya itong si CJ Isit. In the meantime, Master Guapo move of the quarter. Watch out for more Guapo moves. Powered by Master, sikreto ng mga Guapo, CJ Isit with 22 points sa ating ball game. Mapua up 63 kontra JRU 58 at magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91. back inside the arena. And that strong move of the game is brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Batiin natin, partner, yung mga boss natin from ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Si Ma'am Oxy, nanonood ngayon na nasa opisina sa ABS. And yung partner natin, si Gab, na lagi natin nakakasama sa ating mga pagkuha. Fast play of the game brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Josa Nimes to CJ Izit.
Well, partner, binabati ko rin ang aking auntie. Auntie Teng, happy birthday. Auntie Lynn from LA. And my lolo Alfonso, and to belated happy birthday to Coach Atoy ko. Coach Aldin Ayo, I believe, is also celebrating his birthday. And to my friends Garrett, Wanton, Alvin, hello sa inyo sa pagkatabi ko.
Sa ating mga kapamilya watching around the world, good afternoon. Team stuck sa traffic. It is a Friday, my friend, pero tingnan mo naman.
Ganda, naka-live stream, partner.
Yes, pero dahan-dahan lang sa pagmamaneho because you're watching the game and yet you are driving. Baka mahuli tayo, partner.
Mahirap na.
Batiin na rin natin yung ating swimmer dati, no? Si Don Rojas. Coach na rin yan ng San Beda, na nanonood at naghihintay kung sino ang kanilang makakalaban. In the meantime, that is a nice pass coming from Orwell Oraime to CJ Izit. 24 points in the ball game, partner.
Well, an added bonus for Orwell Oraime. Besides his rebounding, his energy, is also part of his vision. Nakikita niya ang kanyang mga kape. Ang gandang hanap na doon para kay CJ Izit.
Nice tap coming from Abdel Botucci to Tate Chidoro. His shot is short. Grospe fumbled. CJ Izit, sino makakakuha ng bola dito?
CJ Izit just all over the floor, not giving up on the play. Nakita niya yung loose ball doon. He dove for the ball. Ang ganda ng energy. Mapua basketball.
And that fast play of the game brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga panig ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Copico 78 best recharge moment. Brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever. Takbo si Serrano. Pero foul ba ang itatawag dito kay Dave Sanchez? Now, I've been saying, no, nagkaroon nga ng reversal of roles itong JRU at Mapua Cardinals. Magandang depensa ang pinakita dito to set the tempo para sa Mapua Cardinals against the JRU Heavy Bombers na hindi pa natin nakikitang nagka-trap sa ating ballgame.
Well, for Mapua, they really implied their full court pressure. And at the same time, itong JRU, they're doing their own version also. And partner, kung makita natin sa stats natin ngayon, they both have 16 turnovers apiece. So, nagkakatalo yan sa ating turnover points. Meron ng 18 ng Mapua at 12 naman para sa JRU.
6:30 in the ball game, fourth and final quarter. Lamang na nga dito ang Mapua Cardinals ng 7 puntos. 67 Mapua, JRU 60. Lasqueti with the ball. Josan Nimes. Popping out is Balagtas. Defended by Aguirre. Inside pass to Abdel Patucci. Orwell Oraime's presence. Kaya no? Kaya nito si Abdel Patucci, partner.
Kaya naman talagang ginawa ng paraan dito ni Abdel. Muntik na siya mahulog doon, but he just kept his control. Good upper body strength. And for that jump shot, point blank shot para kay Abdel.
I like what Menina did there, partner. Parang ito si Abdel Patucci. Strong move of the game brought to you by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Basang-basa nitong si Menina kung anong gagawing sundot ni Dave Sanchez. Pag sundot niya, back dribble, automatic foul. In the meantime, ano kaya ang meron itong si Mertel Sarosa? Mertel?
Boom, ngayon naman kasama ko si Veronica Meneses, ang daughter ni Coach Vergel at girlfriend ni Paolo Ponteos. Veronica, ano masasabi mo? Kanina kasi sinabi sa akin ni Coach na parang second father na rin siya ni Paolo. Ano masasabi mo na napaka-close ni Paolo sa kanila?
Siyempre natutuwa ako kasi yung dalawang pinaka-importanting lalaki sa buhay ko. Close sila, tanggap nila yung isa't isa. Tapos lalo na ngayon, very crucial time para kay Paolo. How do you show your support for him? Kayo pati si Coach din. Siyempre lagi ko siyang sinasamahan kapag pwede ako. Tapos sa bawat text ko sa kanya, sinasabi ko na nandito lang ako and if
muna sa room.
Maraming salamat kasamang Myrtle. Kitang-kita natin yung mga t-shirt na suot ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Para sa iyo, Tito Zoe. You know, partner, yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina na it's hard for you to play, especially during the Final Four, and yet this thing happened. Well, we cannot explain what happened. Of course, we can only say our deepest condolences para dito sa family ng mga Pontejos. But I'm sure, you know, nahihirapan itong si Pontejos.
Well, it's just really important for him to recover and recuperate para sa kanyang pamilya, and all the well wishes for them. Also, again, Pau, deepest condolences to you and your family.
Mapua Cardinals, lamang dito ng 5. Lasqueti. Marco Murillo. Wow! Laban lang. Tulad ng paglabang ko sa taong mahal ko. Marco Murillo. Ayos ah. Joshua. Cardinals, go, go, go. Kaway sa mga nanonood ng live stream sa gym ng Mapua. Ha, ha. You know, everyone's enjoying our game today, partner. 3 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mapua. Looks like it's going down the wire.
Well, just as it went down the wire nung first round, nung second round, at ngayon sa pangatlong round ng ating boxing.
Sabi nga natin, is round 3 para sa panig ng Mapua Cardinals and the JRU Heavy Bombers. Under 5 minutes in the ball game. Nieles. Tapos, pero look who's there. Olwell Oraime. Pero teka lang, sumesenyas itong si Tay Todoro. Sabi, wala daw.
Wow, as much as Olwell picked up the trash, naabutan siya doon ng shot clock violation. And that shot didn't count. Would have been big para kay Coach Atoy and his team.
Lasqueti with the ball. Binabantay ang maiga ni CJ Izit de la Virgen. With a nice move. Matatawagan ng foul itong si Menina. Kanina ko pa nga sinasabi at paulit-ulit nating sasabihin. Ang nagtatrap dito against sa ating ball game is the Mapua Cardinals and not the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Well, partner, parang mistulang mousetrap itong ginagawa ng Mapua dito pagkalagpas ng half-court. Pagkalagpas ng half-court, doon sila magdo-double and forcing the JRU to their turnovers. That is, they're a sacred spot para dumoble ang depensa ng Mapua.
Kaya nahihirapan pumuntos dito ang panig ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Yun na nga ang ginagawa dito ni CJ Izit. Not really scoring but looking for his open teammates, partner.
Wala, ito nga si CJ Izit. Ganda ng pinapakita. 24 points already with 2 rebounds and 2 assists. Pero itong si Josan Nimes only with 3 points pero meron na siyang 3 rebounds and 3 assists. So even though hindi masyadong nakakaputos itong si Josan, nahanap naman niya yung mga kanyang open teammates kapag nagko-collapse sa kanyang depensa. Ilang beses na partner, nahanap itong si Serrano, ilang beses nang nahanap si Olwell, ilang beses nang naka-kick out for the open shooters.
Lamang dito, Mapua Cardinals 71-66. Copico 78 best recharge moment brought to you by Copico 78. Copico's best latte ever. Hindi kaya nahihirapan itong si Josan Nimes sa kanyang suot na sapatos today?
Pamporma yata yan.
Hindi ako kasi paggamit yan.
Palaro. Oo. Ganda yan, classic yan.
Takbok mayaman ako pag yan ang gamit ko, partner.
Maganda nga yan, classic. Itong suot ni Josan Nimes.
Of course. Abdel Patucci backing down Olwell Oraime. Inside pass pero na-foul. Itong si Balagtas ni Josan Nimes. 3:39 in the fourth and final quarter. Lamang lang 5, partner. Ayan. We were talking about the shoes, no? Pogi shoes siya.
Pogi na suot yan ng greatest of all time.
Of course, partner.
Michael Jordan, of course.
Go. Balagtas with 9 points in the ball game, partner. Titingnan natin kung makukuha niya yung ika-10 puntos niya.
Yes. And Marco Balagtas contributing for his team. He's the only second player to score in double digits para sa JRU. Already with 10 points ang sumunod doon. Highest pointer for their team is Tay Todoro with only 12 points.
Nice defense na pinapakita dito ni Lasqueti. Tingnan natin kung anong counter move ang gagawin ni Josan Nimes. Rebound, Potucci. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Balagtas. Ito na nga. Olwell Oraime with a pass. Natapik ni Abdel Batucci. Balik ang bola para sa panig ng Mapua Cardinals. Partner, 3 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mapua Cardinals. 68-71. Olwell Oraime with the pass. Gandang basa coming from Abdel Batucci.
Buti na lang nakataas doon ang kamay ni Abdel Batucci. Kaya na-outside yung bola. Pero better defense there by the JRU Heavy Bombers. Forcing the 5-second violation kontra Mapua.
Bibihira nangyayari yan, partner. Fourth and final quarter, under 4 minutes sa ating ball game. 18 seconds sa shot clock ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Nice backdoor from Tay Chodoro. Blocking foul nga ang itatawag dito kay CJ Izit.
Well, good intentions there by CJ Isit. Nung pa-take off na si Tay Chodoro, medyo na split second late lang siya doon sa pag-take charge. Kaya natawagan siya ng blocking foul. Ayun, no? If he was there earlier for a split second at nakapag-settle siya doon sa kanyang posisyon, charging foul yun. Pero since he jumped right away, binlock na yung shooting way ni Tay Chodoro, blocking foul ang itinawag.
Paniniwalaan kita, partner. Napakaganda ng iyong explanation. Of course, my partner, Mix Bustos. Second free throw for Tay Chodoro is good. 14 points. Silent 14 points para dito kay Tay Chodoro. Pero isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mapua Cardinals. 71-70. Under 3 minutes in the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. CJ Izit. Back to Olwell Oraime. Serrano corner shot. Nice looking shot. At tuwan-tuwa dito ang mga taga Mapua Cardinals with that shot. Lamang na naman ng 3 ang Mapua Cardinals.
Well, a big shot there by Justin Serrano. He saw that short corner opening. Good jump shot there. Ang ganda. Clear as daylight. Big basket for Justin Serrano.
Olwell Oraime skying high for the rebound. Here we go. Josan Nimes. Binigay ang bola kay CJ Izit. Ando naman si De La Paz para bantayan itong si CJ Izit. 22 points sa ating ball game. CJ naagawan. Nauuna si Tay Chodoro pero naandon itong si Josan Nimes. But Tay Chodoro knows what to do when he has the rack.
Well, buti na lang nakascore doon si Tay Chodoro. JRU was supposed to call for a timeout. Pero buti na lang naisingit ni Tay Chodoro yung layup na yun. Gandang galaw nun kontra Josan Nimes.
Eto, nakakuha pa ng palpal. Si Balagtas, pero sino ang tatawagan ng foul? Abdel Batucci. Tatawagan siya ng 4th personal foul, partner. Look at this move by Tay Chodoro. Ang time. Bam!
Parang boom la brusca move yun, partner. Well, a big blow for the JRU Heavy Bombers for that loose ball foul dahil nasa penalty na sila. So we all know, eto as we see Coach Alden Ayos scouting the game. Kasi kung sino ang manalo dito, yun ang kanilang mga kalaban sa Tuesday. Now we all know kapag penalty na ang kupunan, 2 free throws right away for your opponent.
Nakausap ko nga si Coach Alden kanina, no, bago mag-start ang ating ball game. Tanong ko sa kanya, Coach, sino ba ang gusto mong makalaban?
Sino daw?
Alam mo, sabi niya, kahit sino makalaban ko dyan, parehas malakas. In the meantime, may nag-tweet. Galing JRU, trending tayo. Woohoo! Maraming salamat mga kapamilya. Trending po tayo ngayong araw na ito. Sabi ng ating mga kapamilya, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-tweet. Eto na nga. Dahil trending tayo, napakaganda ng binibigay ng JRU at Mapua Cardinals. Look at Josan Nimes. Halftime move. Olwell Oraime for that putback. Lamang na naman dito Mapua Cardinals ng 4, partner. 76 kontra JRU Heavy Bombers 72.
Well, good drive by Josan Nimes. As we can see, nag-collapse sa kanyang depensa. 3 yung bumantay. Abdel Batucci forgot to box out Olwell Oraime. Easy basket for Olwell.
Timeout on the floor at magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91. We are back live. Hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Olwell Oraime, 23 rebounds, 11 points. Kaya naman tuwan-tuwa. Tingnan mo, partner. They're smiling because they're on cam.
Wala, talagang matutuwa ka if you're on the cam.
Of course.
Nakakagulat eh, no?
Palagtas. Ito, quick shot para sa JRU Heavy Bombers, partner. A nice play coming from the JRU Heavy Bombers from that timeout. Speaking of timeout, partner, at JRU, isa na lang ang timeout dito. Yung Mapua Cardinals naman, dalawa. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Mapua Cardinals. 76 kontra JRU 74. Magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91 with more basketball action. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena dito sa lungsod ng Pasay. Tayo nga ay trending at tinitweet sa atin itong ating mga kapamilya. Traffic daw sa labas pero nanonood pa rin sila sa loob ng sasakyan. Mag-iingat kayo mga kapamilya because you are watching and you are driving as well. Lamang dito Mapua Cardinals 76 kontra JRU 74. 105 natitira sa ating ball game. Palagtas with 12 points. Olwell Oraime, 11 points, 23 rebounds. Menina, ano ba ang itatawag ng ating referee? Play on, Josa Nimes, 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Mapua Cardinals. Binabantayan siyang maigi ni Lasqueti. Josa Nimes, kick out. CJ Izit. CJ Izit for 3. Partner. 79 Mapua Cardinals. We have a timeout on the floor. JRU 74. Wala nang timeout dito, partner, ang JRU at magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91. Back inside the arena. Yes, partner. Pag-usapan natin yung mga timeout nitong dalawang koponan.
Well, importante para sa Mapua. They have one timeout remaining just in case JRU scores. Ito nga si Olwell Oraime, averaging 20 rebounds per game nung regular season. Pero kontra Arellano, he scored 28 rebounds. As we can see here, hihimayin lang natin ng konti. That is our third must boom. Trust Josa Nimes. When he makes a play, when he gets to drive, the defense will collapse on him. Nakita niyo yung vision on his peripherals. CJ Izit, open corner 3. Papeng.
Back to De La Paz. Ando si Josa Nimes. De La Paz. Tay Chodoro pupukol ng 3. Inalog. Rebound. Oraime. Lead pass to CJ Izit. Pero wisely, nilabas ang bola. That is a good play coming from CJ Izit, no? Nakaka-26 points na itong si CJ Izit sa ating ball game. 28 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter at lamang sila dito ng 4 at hindi nila kailangan magpadali. With that foul, titira ng dalawang free throw itong si CJ Izit.
Well, a good decision there by CJ Izit. Even though he had an open lane already, he used his smarts. Naging wise yung kanyang decision doon. He just played it on. Alam niyang penalty ang JRU at pa-foul sila doon. And good thing for him, he's back to the line. But he has to make his second free throw para magkaroon pa ng konting separation dito sa kanilang kalamangan.
CJ Izit second free throw. is good. 27 points for CJ Easy.
And no timeouts left for JRU. They have to make a quick basket.
Quick foul coming from De La Paz. Are you surprised, partner, na wala dito si Paolo Ponteo sa ating ball game?
Well, for Paul Pontejos, it's just important for him to recover and recuperate. Nakusap ko nga siya kanina. Hindi siya masyadong nakapag-ensayo since the passing of his father. Medyo 5 days siyang naging absent. And that might have been a big blow for his game. Hindi pinadali ni Coach Bray ng kanyang health. Siyempre, puyatan yan and everything else. Pero nag-contribute everybody else. Itong sila Grospe, sila Estrella, and De La Paz inside the playing court.
So if mananalo dito ang Mapua Cardinals, naghihintay sa kanila ang panic ni Coach Alden Ayon na nanonood sa atin dito sa loob ng arena, the Letra Knights. Samantala, ito naman panic ng JRU Heavy Bombers. Ang naghihintay naman sa kanila ang ating number 1 team, San Beda Red Lions. Final 4 is set. Hihintay na lang tayo ng 6 na segundo sa ating ball game. Mapua Cardinals with a score of 81. JRU 74.
Well, what a run it has been for Mapua Cardinals after finishing 4 wins and 5 losses at the end of the first round. Ngayon 10-1 sila ever since their first game contra Roberto Health in second round. The hottest team in the NCAA. Mapua Cardinals, Coach Atoyko, everybody else. CJ Easy, 26 big points. Wow, what a game. They'll go up in the number 3 spot against the Letran Knights on Tuesday.
10-1 para sa panic ng Mapua Cardinals. Samantala itong JRU Heavy Bombers coming into this ball game with a 6-1 record sa pagtatapos ng ating eliminations or playoffs, partner. As we are set, maglalaban nga ang San Beda Red Lions kontra JRU Heavy Bombers. Samantalang ito naman Mapua Cardinals kontra Letra Knights at magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 91. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena, nanalo nga ang Mapua Cardinals 81 kontra JRU Heavy Bombers 76. I'm with my partner. At partner, sino ba ang napili mong best player sa ating ball game na ito?
Well, none other than CJ Isit, the veteran in him. 27 points, 12 out of 18 from the field or 67% for him. 2 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals itong si CJ.
Alright, kasama ngayon ni Mertel Sarosa ang ating best player na si CJ Isit. Mertel?
Yes, Ma'am CJ, ibang-ibang laro mo today. Bakit? Why are you really inspired for today's game?
My mom actually flew out last night, so I just wanted to play for her and go extra hard.
Galing pa siya Canada, tama, di ba?
Yeah, she came back for the death of my grandma a couple of weeks ago, so I've just been extra inspired this season.
And congratulations, CJ. Tapos tanong din namin, makakalaban ninyo sunod ay ang ating Letra Knights. Anong feeling mo?
I like our chances, the way our team's been playing. I think if we play our game, then we have a good chance of making it to the finals.
At CJ, meron tayong tanong mula kay Coach Migs. Migs, anong tanong mo para kay CJ?
Hey CJ, Migs here. Prior to this game, you scored a season high of 14. Now you almost doubled that output with 27 points. So CJ, what went through your head through the game plan? Where did it start for you para pumutok ka sa larong ito?
Well, for me, always it starts on the defensive end, and I feed off that energy, and it translates to offense.
Alright. Thank you, CJ.
All right.
Congratulations,
Thank you very much,
CJ.
CJ. Sana tuloy-tuloy pang ganito mong paglaro. At ayan nga ditong latest. Eto na, balik na sa'yo, Migs at Boom.
Maraming salamat kasamang Myrtle, and of course, congratulations sa CJ Izit and the community of the Mapua Cardinals. Of course, number 3 na sila. Letra Knights are waiting for them. Final 4 is set. Your thoughts, partner, dito sa ball game na ito?
Well, for San Beda, they beat JRU twice nung elimination round. Itong San Beda Red Lions. As makakalaban nilang JRU 4 p.m. on Tuesday. Ang Letran naman ay split nila yung season series. 1 win apiece para sa Letran and Mapua. So both matchups will be very interesting. Even though natalo ang JRU twice sa San Beda nung elimination round, but this is a very different atmosphere, very different ball game, and who knows, tables might turn. Sabi mo nga, partner, baka magkaroon ng role reversal dito. And for Mapua and Letran, it's gonna be a grind out ball game para sa kanilang dalawa.
As we are set for the Final 4, nakikita nyo, game is on Tuesday, October 20. The Letra Knights going up against the Mapua Cardinals. Samantala, pangalawang laro, JRU Heavy Bombers, our number 1 team, San Beda Red Lions. Maraming salamat mga kapamilya Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao sa inyong pagtutok. Aming direktor, Direk Raul de Ocampo, my partner, Migs Bustos. Ako pong inyong lingkod, Boom Labrusca. So long, Pilipinas!